What's up, you guys? It's like 6:30 in the morning. Pulled an all-nighter here at the hospital because I have a patient that had to come in the middle of the night, so didn't want to leave her alone. So I've been sitting here all night. Wow, what a great team here at this hospital, I could tell you that. And I'm delirious because I have been up for more than 24 hours. And I'm feeling it. And you know, like hospitals are dry and hot, and I'm just feeling like I need to have something to drink. Still dark out, but sun is slowly starting to come up, I guess. Anyway, I'm heading to my truck, and I will see you when I get home. I'm probably going to wind up. Hold on one second. Probably gonna wind up when I get home. Obviously I'm gonna shower and whatnot, but I'm gonna probably have some coffee because I don't even know if I'll get any sleep today because I have to go to work. But when you own something and you do what I do, I could just take the day off. I could just stay home and work from home. And being that I've been up all night working, I think I'm gonna do that. So I might do a what I eat in a day video for you today, but I don't know what time I'm gonna start it because I obviously am gonna need some sleep. So let me head home, and I'll either see you when I get there or I'll see you when I wake up. I'm home, taking off my visitor's badge. Woo, I'm tired. Guys, I was driving on the highway, and I swear I closed my eyes. I don't know. I don't even remember the ride home. I'm so tired. But I did have my badge on, so I don't even know why I needed this, to be honest with you, but I guess because they like to keep track of who enters the emergency room. And how funny, it says child. Look. I guess I'm a child. There's a child walking to school. Guys, I'm tired. I'm going to go in, forget the coffee. I'm just going to go in, wash up, put some cozy clothes on, and go to sleep for a little while. I'm beat. It's been a long night. All right, so I'll see you when I wake up and have my first fueling. And God only knows what time that's going to be. This is going to be interesting. All right, we'll see you a little later. All right, well, it's 3 p.m. and I barely slept, I think maybe an hour. I have a really, really, really bad headache, so I have this neck massage machine on. And Jess and Brittany made me some coffee, and I'm shocked. I have such a bad headache that I'm like borderline nauseous, which is obviously a migraine. Well, guys, that was the demise, as you saw. And please note this, and don't mind my hair today. It's raining. I am an absolute mess. I have my hair in a clip. I'll show you. No hairspray, nothing to do to keep it nice. Can't find my silver earrings. Anyway, what I want to tell you is lack of sleep really plays a part. What happened after all of that was that I was so exhausted. My energy level was so low that my body said, you better eat something. And so I went off plan. Yes, I did. And I was so upset with myself, but it is what it is. So I gained back quite a bit and decided to just do a whole restart. I'm still down a couple pounds from when I started. But, man, guys, lack of sleep really, really, really affects everything. So my advice is make sure you get your sleep, because when you don't, that's when you run into trouble. So I'm making an effort to really get some good sleep this week. Anyway, I'm heading out to a meeting. I have on a white tank top, necklace, blazer, my Michael Kors limited edition watch that I have had forever. I have on David Yurman bracelet. I have slacks and gray boots. And I'm going to do the best I can on this rainy day. I did have a hot chocolate. I want to show you what I'm bringing. Hold on. I made some brownie cookies in my air fryer. 2 tablespoons of water. And I think I did it at 375 for 8 minutes in the air fryer. And I have those and the Blondie with me. I have a bar and a bunch of other things. So I'm going to be on track today. I have my giant water. And I got to get out of here because, like I said, I have a meeting. So I will see you later. All right, guys, so all 5 fuelings were eaten at work, so I came home, made some salmon, asparagus, and a little bit of fresh arugula. So I'm going to say goodnight right now. It's restart, day 1 again, because of the bump I had in the road. But I owned it, I confessed it, and yeah. So anyway, I will see you next Wednesday for a weigh-in day, and I love you all. Thanks for sticking by me always. You mean the world to me. See you in my next video, you guys.